I'm just so happy. I don't know who has been in the same shoe with me, but I'm so excited. Today I'm going to do unboxing video. I've been planning to get this mic, and finally I got it. So I want to unbox it, and I'm going to list out the benefits of this mic. Yeah, you can create your content with that mic, but it's very important. You can see how this place is very noisy. It's very noisy, like any sound can just come in. But with this mic, it will suppress the unnecessary sound. It will just be giving you the thing that you are putting, like what you are saying directly. But without this mic, every sound, anything that happened in the environment, it will affect this video. So I have unboxed it because I was so excited. I have tested it, but today I just want to unbox it. So you guys, let's get to it. So I got this. It's really so fine. It has two mics. Yeah, it has two mics. And do you know the benefit of this? Oh God. It has okay, this is the charger. This is the charger here. Let me just bring it up. If you want to charge it, then you can put it. It's just with the cord. You can see it with the cord. You see the sound. This place is very noisy. So you will see the benefits of this because I will put it and do the video, and you will see the difference between this before and now. So this is the cord that you will use to charge the phone. This is the cord, and this is the mic. Right? And this is the two mic you'll be using for recording. I will show you guys how to on it and how to put it every other thing. So this is the mic, the two mics. Maybe if you are creating content with two people or interview, it's nice. It's nice. So if your phone is USD, you are using USD, you just need to. I've forgotten the name of this. You just because my phone, I'm not using iPhone to record this, so I'm using Type C. So this is Type C. So if you are using USD, you just need to put it here and connect it and put it your phone. Yeah, that place you are used to charge your phone. So if you connect it, yeah, you just solve this thing. So if your own is Type C, you just need to put it in direct. If your own is USD, you just put it here. So if you are using iPhone, see the code. So you need to just put it here too, and put it that place you are used to charge it, and just that's just it. So when you put it there, you just need to press. This is the on. You need to just press this thing. It's not like this. You need to just put some pressure and see it. Whenever you're showing these lines, this green and red, that means is on. Is on. If you want to use one, you just press this thing. When you connect it with this on your phone, then you press this and start using it. I will use it so that you will see the difference between this mic and without using the mic. So this is me connecting it, and if I don't want to hold it, I can just put it on my clothes. I can just peg it on my clothes and it will still record. So if you watch it, you will see the difference of it. Like when I'm not using it and when I'm using it, you see that the sound, all those things that was making noise there is not really affecting this video. You can hear me clearly, unlike before. So what do you think? If you have not gotten yours, if you have the money, you can just get it. So if you are upcoming and you know that you don't have the money, you can just start. You can be doing your own thing. God provide for you. But if you have the opportunity to get it, right, go and get your own. Start it. So that maybe if you want to create content, you will not be like this place is noisy. You can just do your thing. You can do your thing. So thank you. Please, anything you think about this mic, put it on comment section. Don't forget to like and share. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe because I'll be updates on things that I think that will help us to grow together.